Hello guys, today's video is gonna be very useful for you and your daily life. So today I'm gonna show you the software which we can use on our business laptop for video editing, for small type of video editing. So this name is VideoPad, and this is very smooth software working on our any type of laptops which are not more compatible with the help of graphic and with the help of so many, you can say, the faster devices. So you can just have to go and download this video pad. This is a very smaller application for itself. So I just downloaded it. Let me show you the folder where I have downloaded it. So this is the software folder I've created in my disk, and this you can see here the video pad where it is software. So I have already installed it. How to install it? Just you have to go inside. Just you have to select yes. That after that pop-up will come, and which you have to select next and install. It's going a little bit time over there because I have already installed, so maybe it will come with an update pop-up. So let me see once more. Okay, let me click one more. Maybe it took. Okay, so now it need to come. Okay. You need to run as administrator because in Windows 11 it not gives permission to run without giving the permission of administrator. So also the security factors which are recommending the administrator. Now you have to accept license. After accepting the license, you have to select all. Okay, you have to select all if your laptop is a little bit more faster, or you can say the edge processor laptops, you can select all. So at this my point I'll just go to next, and it is installing. Okay, so it's already installed on a PC, and I have installed one more time. So you can see it's not a problem if you install twice because it's only giving the update. Okay, so this is a very good and a very smooth software working on my laptop, which is based on a business. Okay, so this is the pop-up where you can select the project. After selecting the project, any of project you can select, show again, cancel, and after that you have to open your video from here. Okay, likewise I have two videos here. I'm going to open this small video to show you just the interface of it, how it works. Okay, now you have to open this. Hello guys, to today's videos simple and so. Okay, so this is a video which I have done. Now you can just go cut, or don't want to cut, you can use Ctrl Z. You want to add some subtitles, you can add subtitles from here. And you want to change the aspect ratio, you can also change the aspect ratio. So many aspect ratios there are. There are a lot of things like text effects, audio effects, video effects, transition, and we also add if you are cutting this. Okay, so now I'm going to add a little bit shuffle transition from here like this. Okay, so I have to apply this. After which I have to put the cursor over here. Okay, once put the cursor over. I have to put the cursor over here. Okay. Hello guys, to today's videos simple and so. Hello guys, to today's videos simple and so efficient for yourself. Okay, so we have to change this like this to show you a little bit animation over there, because I have created the animation which is not showable in the video. Now you can see here from here the animation. So efficient for yourself. One more thing I'm gonna tell you, like you don't have cut the video, so it means there is no animation gonna show because there is a loop it's running over there. Now it will show the animation if any change persist. Now you can see after yourself start. Okay, I have used a very basic animation, transition animation over there. You can use any more code and more. In just a business people you're working these whole things, it's gonna be a very surprisable for many people. Like this is a very really amazing experience for me to get it written very little and a very you can say a very short video. Now I'm just also going to edit this video which I have created with the help of the software. This will might be the most experienced one for me. Okay, so after editing this, I'm gonna tell you in the comment box how it feels, how it works, and how it looks like. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video. Anything you like, just show your love and support in the comment section, and